He's fired up the truck. I think they're checking the RII on it. These fans something more to yell about.
He said he was going to tear something up, and unfortunately for Tony Farrell, what he tore up was the sting truck. Well, we're going to just leave all that junk in the corner and probably get ready to roll the next one. So they're going to take him off and sit him right in the crowd. Didn't get to see the score, so see if we can get word on what the scores were.
And they didn't hold him up long enough for us to see. I know it. So a 27 for Pablo Huffaker, and you see the smile. You don't think these guys are all good. There's a little material. Who again got this crowd up on his feet. There's our scores.
Oh, they get good. I'm going to tell you, if you're going to lose the full 2 minutes, I thought that he might have knocked Jill out. I mean, that run was that special on 3 wheels and everything he did. That was spectacular.
Earlier this season had one of the most daredevil moves I've ever seen in the freestyle in Detroit. Gets congratulations for Pablo Huffaker. And he's walking up there.
There are 2 more trucks to go. Goldberg and Graveton.
And up next will be Goldberg. He's hiding back in the tunnel. A lot of the other trucks have been pulling up out in front of the crowd, but Goldberg nowhere to be seen. You see there's a big Goldberg fan. He knows that his man is next, Tom Mintz. Reminded that Mintz already has won another world championship tonight in the head-to-head competition as they put another obstacle or 2 out on the course for Tom Mintz and Goldberg. Still Dennis Anderson and Gray Digger yet to go for freestyle. And you know that these guys, what we've seen spectacular so far, these guys are going to leave nothing out there. Look at the eyes.